I'm Meenakshi from Chennai. Regarding the workshop experience till now, actually I'm a person who does not like to consume medicines, but this workshop was an eye-opener for me as to what to include or what to exclude in my diet, and to follow the cleaning the system diet, and MRP, that is milk, refined products and processed foods to avoid, is the main thing I learned from this workshop. And my before and after experience in naturopathy is, before I never used to know that naturopathy used to cure so many diseases, or it used to prevent so many diseases, but now we really feel like it's picking pebbles in the vast ocean of naturopathy. And I would strongly recommend this course, keeping in mind the limitations of naturopathy. And regarding the team conducting this, awesome effect on the part of Vishal Saini and team, and I really wonder how he can keep talking non-stop continuously for so many hours with the same energy and enthusiasm he exudes from the beginning till the end. May God give him the strength and willpower and the right mindset to continue well in all his future endeavors. Thank you.